Gentle spinal adjustments, a modern approach. Many individuals experience discomfort or pain in their neck or back. Chiropractic care offers various treatment options, including adjustments to alleviate this pain and restore proper function. One such option, particularly appealing to those who prefer a gentler approach, involves the use of instrument-assisted adjustments. Instrument adjustment. These specialized instruments offer a high-tech, precise method for delivering instrument adjustments without the manual twisting, popping, or cracking often associated with traditional chiropractic techniques. This can be especially reassuring for patients who may be nervous about manual adjustments. Activator adjusting instrument. One type of instrument-assisted adjustment utilizes a specialized tool to deliver low-force adjustments. This method focuses on specific pressure points along the spine and extremities. Practitioners using this technique often employ a unique diagnostic approach, assessing factors like leg length discrepancies to identify areas of misalignment. The adjustments themselves are typically very gentle, with no twisting or forceful movements required. Impulse IQ adjusting instrument. Another advanced instrument used in chiropractic care is the Impulse IQ. This device incorporates sophisticated technology, including motion sensors and accelerometers. These features provide feedback to the practitioner, ensuring that the appropriate amount of motion is applied to the specific joint or spinal segment being treated. Some instruments even incorporate preload sensors, which help the practitioner ensure they are targeting the correct joint and minimizing any interference from surrounding tissues like muscle or fat. This technology allows for highly targeted and effective adjustments. Chiropractic adjusting tool gun. The term chiropractic adjusting tool gun is sometimes used to describe these types of instruments. While the term may evoke a more forceful image, these tools are designed to deliver precise and controlled adjustments. Impulse IQ adjusting instrument reviews. Many positive reviews highlight the Impulse IQ's gentle yet effective approach. Patients often appreciate the lack of manual manipulation and the precise nature of the adjustments. These reviews often emphasize the instrument's ability to target specific areas and provide relief without causing discomfort. Impulse adjusting instrument. The Impulse IQ is a leading example of a modern impulse adjusting instrument. These instruments deliver a controlled, rapid thrust to the targeted joint, helping to restore proper alignment and function. Electric chiropractic adjusting tool. These instruments are often referred to as electric chiropractic adjusting tools due to their use of internal mechanisms to generate the adjusting force. This allows for consistent and precise adjustments, minimizing the need for manual force from the practitioner. Impulse adjusting instrument repair. Like any sophisticated piece of equipment, impulse adjusting instruments may occasionally require repair. It is important to seek repairs from qualified technicians to ensure the instrument continues to function correctly and safely. Chiropractic adjusting tool, how it works. These tools work by delivering a controlled force to the targeted joint. The specific mechanisms vary depending on the instrument, but the goal is to restore proper joint movement and alignment without causing pain or discomfort. The built-in sensors and feedback mechanisms in some instruments further enhance the precision and effectiveness of the adjustments. If you are interested in learning more about instrument-assisted chiropractic adjustments and whether they might be a suitable option for you, it is recommended to consult with a qualified chiropractor. They can assess your individual needs and determine the most appropriate course of treatment.